Why you keep relapsing. The truth. You try, you make it 3 days, maybe 4, and then you relapse. It feels like you're stuck in the same loop over and over again. And here's the uncomfortable truth. It's not about willpower. Willpower is like a phone battery. It dies when you need it most. The real reason you keep relapsing, it's something most people never talk about. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. I used to think temptation was the main enemy, that lightning strike of desire that hijacks your brain. But according to research at UCLA's Sexual Psychophysiology and Affective Neuroscience Lab, that's not the real villain. The villain is what comes after. It's called the chaser effect. No, not the kind from a bar. It's the mental and emotional aftershock. Regret, shame, self-loathing. And here's the plot twist. Those feelings don't stop you. They prime you for the next relapse. A 2018 study in the Journal of Behavioral Addictions found that guilt reduces activity in your prefrontal cortex, your rational decision maker, while increasing activity in the amygdala, your emotional panic button. The result? You're literally in a state where bad decisions feel easier. So you're not failing because you're weak. You're failing because your brain's control panel just went dim. Now, this is where most advice says, just fight it, just be stronger. But that doesn't work. Not for long. Instead, you need to interrupt the loop before it spins out. And you can do that with one deceptively simple habit, the 60-second rule. Here's how it works. When the urge hits, don't try to crush it. Don't bargain with yourself. Just stop. 60 seconds. Watch it. Like a scientist observing a storm through a window. Dr. Andrew Huberman at Stanford explains that cravings are like waves. They rise, they peak, and then they fade if you don't feed them. In fact, studies on urge surfing at the University of Massachusetts show that urges lose up to half their strength after about a minute of pure observation. That minute is not about winning. It's about giving your prefrontal cortex enough time to wake up and take the wheel back from your impulsive brain. The first time I tried this, I felt ridiculous, sitting there thinking, well, hello, dopamine spike, nice of you to drop by. But after a few tries, something shifted. The cravings didn't vanish, they just lost their teeth. And here's why this keeps you from relapsing. Most slips happen instantly, without thought. The 60-second pause breaks that instant reaction. It gives your rational mind, the part that actually cares about your goals, a fighting chance. Now, I know what you're thinking. 1 minute can't change my life. That's what I thought too. Until it did. Because your mind is not a battlefield, it's a garden. And in that garden, you either water the weeds or the flowers. So the next time you hit that 3-day wall, don't try to be Hercules. Be a strategist. 1 minute at a time. And if you found this helpful, subscribe to Core Thinking Zone. We're almost at 20 subscribers. And every new one helps this message reach more people like you.